Welcome back, everybody, to another weather video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe for more weather content, daily videos, maybe even two if we get more frequent updates, or subscribe for live streams, if needed. So here we go. So we have not very right now. Right now looks very fairly quiet right now, but really it's not. Uh, but we do have some winter weather going on up here. Some big time snows going on. We have ice storms. We have an ice storm going on. We have more ice and then more wintry weather going up on the north. Been having some major flooding and severe weather across here all week, nonstop, no breaks, and that's because we've been having several storm systems move through. Now we have snow on the back end, winter weather on back end, and then today more severe weather right across here today, and we'll get right all up into that right now. So today's severe weather is that we have a slight risk for tornadoes, damaging winds, and hail, and we have a big marginal risk for strong storms. Some could where some could be uh on the strong side. So let's go to tornado potential, which they did get rid of the SIG 1 now. So SIG 1 is not there, and we still have a 2% chance of seeing a tornado here, but not a strong tornado now. So no strong tornado, just some weak tornadoes across here today, and that's all the tornado area is. Wind, we have a 15% chance of seeing damaging winds up here. We have a 5% chance of seeing damaging winds all through the Brown area, which is 5%. And we have a little small hail chance right down in Texas here, but no hail is expected through this area, which is good. So, and then tomorrow we have a marginal risk. It's a fairly small area. So right in here, just a marginal risk for severe weather. Nothing too concerning. No tornado. No tornado. There is a 5% chance of seeing damaging winds through here that anybody will have to keep an eye on, and no hail. No hail is expected. So, all right, let's go. Let's get more broader. So, as you guys can see here, we do have that low pressure system swirling around with cold front being like that, and your warm front sector being like that. So pretty much that's what it is looking like. So we have a ton of warm air getting flown across here. Very quiet out towards the west. Very quiet. So right now, ridging is pretty much. Actually, hang on. Your ridging is like this. Your ridge is like that, where we have warm air over here, a little bit of warm air over here, and then a lot colder air down here. So that's what's going on today. There was somewhat of a little bit of a tornado outbreak maybe across Oklahoma City last night, and then for me, and then yesterday I I was watching a storm system, same one that's up here now. I was watching that warm front, which it never really pushed north. It was pushed north and never actually did. So we had supercells literally line up, but they eventually just kept pushing northeast. So, which obviously, if it goes above the warm front, it's not going to do anything. So, nothing major really happened from there. And here's our current drought radar. So we still have a developing drought developing across here. Major drought ongoing here, and the drought right across here has been improving. It's probably going to improve right across here too because of the amount of rain and stuff that's been falling across here. So, and then I would say right across here we could start developing a drought soon. Um, so, and then there's currently a wildfire going on in California, outside Los Angeles right now. Um, so that's not good. But people have said already that area burns a lot. So, so there's that. So let's get right into the weather models here. So obviously we have our current low pressure system. We have our cold front right across here, and then our warm front draped like that, with strong to severe weather forecasted right along there. So this is the GFS model. So let's take a look. So eventually that will move out of the way and off the coast, and then we'll get a developing high pressure for calmer, peaceful, more relaxing weather. So, and then we'll get a little small Alberta Clipper system moving through at the end of next week. Um I don't think it'll pose a severe weather threat. It doesn't look like it. So, no severe weather from that, I don't think. Then we'll get a storm system developing somewhere right here. And this right here may pose some kind of severe weather Friday. And then we'll get another shot of severe weather Saturday, and then more on Sunday, more on on Monday that following week. So, I would say pretty much starting from Tuesday, and so Tuesday or no Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I think we'll have calm weather, no severe weather, and I think Thursday there might be a marginal risk. Might be a marginal risk right up in here, but I doubt that. But I think being Friday and beyond through there, we could have a more chances of severe weather possible. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens from there. So I'm not gonna go any further out because it's just up in the air then. So it's pointless. So not doing it. So all right. So we got the European model. Obviously shows this current storm right now. Then the high pressure moves in. And then we have Thursday. Thursday by the European model is shaping up for maybe some kind of severe weather, strong storm area right in there. So then we got Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. There's a chance for severe weather right in here. You don't know where it wants to focus as severe weather, but we'll have to wait and see where it wants to where the National Weather Service wants to put it. So, and then more severe weather. So we have nonstop severe weather coming up over the next week or so that we'll have to keep our eyes out for. So hopefully you find this video educational. Hopefully you find it hopefully you find it good for weather forecasting. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow with another new weather video. Peace.